everyone, my name is Komal and welcome back to Rise PTE. Are you struggling to improve your PTE score despite your hard work? You are not alone. The good news is, by understanding how the PTE software evaluates responses, you can tailor your approach and achieve a higher score. Before I begin, may I request you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so? Let's dive in. Boost your score. First, we will understand the PTE software. The PTE uses artificial intelligence to evaluate your answers based on specific criteria like keywords and current relevance, fluency and pronunciation, grammar and structure. Knowing what the software looks for can help you tailor your responses and maximize your score. First, let's look at the tips in speaking section. My number one tip is clarity and pace. If you want to know why it works, actually, the software struggles with accents and unclear speech. So, clear pronunciation and a moderate pace are essential. Another tip will be practice pronunciation. Use tools like Forvo or Youglish to learn the correct pronunciation of difficult words. Next is maintain a steady pace, which means avoid rushing. Speak at a natural, even pace to ensure every word is articulated clearly. Okay? My second trick is use transition words. And if you want to know why it works, so my answer is the software rewards structured and coherent responses. My tips will be use words like firstly, however, therefore, and moreover. I'll give you an example. Firstly, climate change is a pressing issue. Secondly, it affects global weather patterns. Next, my writing section tips will be use templates because templates ensure your answers are well structured and include all necessary elements. Essay template, which means introduction, body paragraph, conclusion. This essay discusses firstly, secondly, last will be in conclusion. So summary template is the passage highlight that this is supported by. Okay. My fourth trick is use complex sentences. Do you want to know why it works? Because complex sentences demonstrate higher language proficiency. So my tips will be combine simple ideas. While studying for exams is crucial, taking breaks can improve productivity. Use subordinate clauses. Despite the challenges, many students succeed because they adopt effective study strategies. Let's look at the reading section tips. Fifth is skimming and scanning. These techniques help you manage time effectively and locate key information. So tips will be skimming. Read the first and last sentences of paragraphs to get the main ideas. In scanning, look for keywords and numbers related to the questions. My sixth strategy is understand context clues. Context clues help you infer the meaning of unfamiliar words. Let's look at the tips. Identify synonyms. The arid climate or dry weather exacerbated the drought conditions. Use surrounding text. The fauna, including rabbits and deer, thrived in the lush environment. Let's look at the next strategy in listening section is effective note-taking. Do you want to know why it works? Because structured notes help you capture key points quickly. So my shorthand symbols tip will be use symbols like arrow, which is going thiswards for leads to, arrow which is going up for increase, and arrow which is going down for decrease. Okay. Organize by topic. Structure your notes with headings like main topic and subtopics. Okay. My eighth trick will be focus on keywords. Keywords often contain the main ideas and answers. So my tips will be: listen for emphases. Pay attention to phrases like the most significant factor is. Okay. And next tip will be identify lists. List for sequences like first, second, third. Okay. Next is practice with real test materials. Familiarity with real test questions reduces anxiety and improves performance. My tips will be: take official practice tests. Use resources from the official PTE website or trusted sources. Next will be review mistakes. Analyze errors to understand where you went wrong and how to improve. Okay. My final thoughts are: by understanding how the PTE software evaluates your response and applying these steps, you can boost your score from 50 to 90. Remember, it's not about cheating the system, all right? It's about working smart and tailoring your strategies to meet the software's criteria. Practice consistently, stay dedicated, and watch your scores soar. Good luck with your PT preparation.